Hi everyone. Today we'll solve a math Olympiad question, that is x plus yz equals to 2021, xy plus z equals to 2020. Then we have to solve and we have to find the solutions for these two expressions. The ultimate aim is to find the values of x, y and z. Right. So this is asked in French Olympiad question है, right? So we'll go to the solution part. So I have written here, so that is x plus yz equals to 2021. Let us say equation 1, xy plus z equals to 2020 equation 2. Now what I'll do, I subtract both the equations. Both the equations. So this is the first equation, so which is x plus yz equals to 2021, equation 1, xy plus z equals to 2020. When I subtract from equation 1, equation 2 is subtracted. So therefore, so this would be 2020 minus 2021 minus 20 would be 1, right? And right side we have these terms here. So I'll take some space here. So this is equals to 1. Right side of the equation equals to 1. Left side would be x plus yz minus xy minus z equals to 1. So this is our equation on subtracting it, right? So this is the equation, final equation. Then we regroup the terms here. Here in first term we have the x, here we have xy, here we have y, z, and here we have z. So just I regroup it. So how do I regroup it here? X minus xy plus yz minus z equals to 1, right? So in this term, I have x on both the terms. So I can write the x as a common. In second term, z is common. So I can write the z as a common. So I'll take x as a common. So it would be 1 minus y plus. So here is z is the common. This is y minus 1 equals to 1. So this is the expression what I got here. So if you observe both the terms here, it's y 1 minus y, this is y minus 1. So both are not same. So we'll make them same. So just I multiply this entire term with the negative sign. So minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, then we'll get the two equal terms. So that's x times 1 minus y minus z. So here I can write 1 minus y equals to 1. Just I change the signs here. So I have changed the sign here. So y sign has been changed to negative and minus 1 is changed to plus 1. These are the two things I did here. Then I'll regroup it again. So we have two terms, 1 minus y, 1 minus y. So I write it as a common, that is 1 minus y is one term, and what I left here, x minus z, and this entire term equals to 1. So this is the first term, I got it here. What is the meaning of this equation? This equation meaning is 1 minus y and x minus z are equal to 1. That means, it means 1 should be multiplied by itself is also 1 over, right? So this is the first solution what I got for this equation. And we have one more solution. The second solution would be like 1 minus y. The second solution would be 1 minus y and x minus z is equals to minus 1 times itself. So minus 1 times minus 1 equals to again 1. So these are the two solutions we have got from this equation. Then we substitute those values and we'll figure out for them, right? So this is our main agenda here. So let's do this, let's solve this equation. So here 1 minus y times x minus z equals to 1 times 1. That means the first term of the equation equals to 1 and the second term of the equation is also 1. So just I write here. So that should be like, so I'll write first term, that is 1 minus y equals to 1, right? So that means from this y equals to 0. So from this we get y equals to 0. So from here y equals to, we got 0. Just we plug in these values, y value in this equation, then we'll get x and z values. Let us say if I substitute y value here, so x plus y is 0, 0 into z would be 0, 0 plus something would be x. That means x would be equals to, the x is equals to exactly 2021. And we plug in the y value in this reaction where x is something, x is 2021, y is again 0. So if I substitute 0 here, z would be 2020. So z equals to 2020. So this is the first solution for this expression, right? So first solution is y equals to 0, x equals to 2021 and z equals to 2020, right? So we'll go for next solution. We solve for the next solution. We'll take the negative one, right? So negative कैसे लेना चाहिए? That is 1 minus y equals to negative 1. That means y equals to 2. Just we plug in these values in this equation. So first equation I'll write it as, so x plus y के जगह I'll substitute 2. So that is 2z equals to 2021, right? Even I write the second equation with the y value equal to 2. That is x into 2, that is 2x plus z equals to 2020. So these are the first equation and second equation where I plugged in the value of y as 2 here. So this is the value I plugged in here. So this is the substituted y value I have been substituted here, right? Then we solve these two equations, then we'll get it. I multiply the second equation by 2 so as to calculate equal 1. So this would be 2 into 2 would be 4x. It should be 4x plus 2z, 4x plus 2z equals to 40. So I multiplied the entire equation by 2. Then I'll write the first equation, that is x plus 2z, x plus 2z equals to 2021. So what I'll do, I'll subtract this equation from this. So 4x minus x would be 3x. Of course this get cancelled out because it's the sign changes here. The minus 2z plus 2z get cancelled out. 3x equals to 40 minus 2021 would be 2019. From this I can write the x equals to 2019 over 3. So I can cut by 3, it goes 6, 18, I have left 2, so it would be 7, 3. So x equals to how much? 6, 673. So by solving the second method, I got x equal to 673 and y equals to what I got here, 2. So now we'll solve for the z also. So we'll substitute this x and y values in the equation 2 so that we'll get the value of the z. So that is x is 673 and y is 2. So times 2 plus z equals to 2020. Right? So from this I have to double this. It should be 6, it should be 4, it should be 12. So 1346. It is 1346 plus z equals to 2020. That means z equals to 2020 minus 1346, which of course gives 674. So this is the value for z. This is the value for z. Right? So from this I got three values. I got the two solutions. According to the first solution, x is, y is, z is. So here y is 0, x is 2021 and z is 2020. This is the first solution. Second solution, x, y, z. So here y is 2 and the x is 673 and y is 674. So these are the solutions for this expression, right? So from this, so you can write here x has two solutions, y has two solutions, z has two solutions. So y is 2 and 0 and what about x here? X is 2021, x is 2021 as well as 673 and z is 2020 and 674. So these are the solutions for this expression. So this question is asked in French Olympiad examinations. So thank you for watching.